Hello. Yes, it seems I'm live again. Hello, guys. Seems like I had some internet issues. Back live again. Let me go through the comment section. We're just going to take a look at a few altcoins, guys. Like I showed you back on the other live stream, this is what I think is going to happen in the next coming days. We're just going to go sideways here in between $56,000. A little bit of volatility. I do see a little bit of more downside action, or depending on what happens with Bitcoin. Okay, in the market. With Bitcoin the next coming days, then altcoins are going to be looking bullish or bearish. Let me just go here through the comment section. Right, hello Ahmad, how are you doing? Sazmit, you're back? Yes, I am. Andy, G-Swap and dot, please. Yes, I'll take a look at G-Swap straight away and dot. Welcome back. Yes, I do not know what happened. I think it had some internet issues. Hello, Pamela. Finally, I get to watch your live show. Thank you for joining, Pamela. Yeah, I'm just going to be a while here. How are you doing, everybody? Let's go. Yeah, I'll take a look at VeChain also. They're not looking too good. A lot of altcoins are getting hit very, very hard. So let's just take a look at Polkadot here straight away, because I was very, very bullish. I did get stopped out here on Polkadot because I did see us breaking. It wasn't a successful breakout. Polkadot losing a major level. Okay, from this this higher low structure. Okay, we got these higher lows. Also, we got this resistance that should have been turning into support right over there. As you can see, we were getting bounced and bounced. I did see this, the correction, and that we were going to pop here to the upside. We did get a few attempts on Polkadot here to break to the upside, but we did break down this major structure. It is not looking too good, guys. We are breaking a little bit of uptrend structure, as you can see on Polkadot. So all depending on Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin does get a massive hit, guys, we know they are. I'm not sure if I got banned because of this. But yeah, that's why I think we probably got offline. But we got this variant of C19, and yeah, there's a little bit of fear worldwide. So we can see the effect on the S&P 500 also. Dow Jones, the general stock market is having a little bit of a downside action. So this can be impacted on in the crypto space, and we are seeing it right now. So a very important week for Bitcoin. I think we do need to hold very, very strongly at this major level, okay, which is the $52,000 area, okay, major level. Let's take out Polkadot. Polkadot, like I said, it's not looking too good. We've broken a structure here, okay. We're going to have massive resistance to get above already here on Polkadot. So yeah, breaking major support, which was the $38. I did think that this level was going to hold very nicely on Polkadot. We're currently just losing this level. Now, like I said, it's still not looking too bad. Okay, if we start bottoming out here in the next coming days, then great. And if we start seeing some pumpy action, because overall we are in this retracement from this huge pump, right, from Polkadot, because we've had this pump over here, right, this retracement, this pump over here. This retracement has been a little bit too much on Polkadot, so we should be hitting just slightly below the 62% golden, the golden pocket here from the lows, from the pump here. We just hitting below the 62% levels, almost hitting 78. Now 78 is the ultimate low bottom here from the Fibonacci retracement to hold, because if this doesn't hold yet and we come back down here to the pump, it's not going to be looking good. We are going to have major resistance above us, guys. So breaking major structure, it's already going to be hard work for Polkadot to get above again that $40 range that had been an insane support and resistance in the past. So if we do come all the way up here, we are going to get rejected in the next coming days, very likely, and come back down. Make a best case scenario here would be creating a double bottom or something very similar to it. I do see us having strong resistance at $38-40, as you can see here on the chart, right? So been holding very nicely. Got broken. It's going to be very hard for Polkadot to get above $38. As soon as Polkadot gets back above $38, okay, successfully, we want to see a nice clean breakout, then, you know, it's very likely that we are going to meet the highs. this will be a confirmation that the uptrend is going to continue, that this overall has only been a correction from this massive pump that we had, and that we are going to go to much higher levels. So yeah, we want to see a little bit of confirmation here on Polkadot to get back in this major uptrend, and also get above this major resistance at $38.40 range. Okay, that's what I see for Polkadot. We did lose a major level. I did think that I did get stopped out here. I had a trade. This was a scalp trading. Okay, it got stopped out straight away. It took about 2 days. So yeah, got stopped out here because I did think that we were going to have a very nice support from that $38.40 range. This did not happen, guys. Lost support here and continuing to the downside right now. WTN, welcome back. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining the live stream, guys. Hope you're doing well. Also, Ben, how are you? Everything on support or under? It all depends. We have a lot of altcoins that are losing support. A lot of altcoins are losing support, such as Polkadot, as you can see here, losing this uptrend, losing a major level, which is the $38.40. Okay. We've also got Cardano. Cardano is losing a major support level. All right. Now all the eyes are on Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin is the hope. Look at Cardano here. Cardano is in a massive uptrend, and it's currently losing the level here from these higher lows all the way back from January of 2021. Connected, you know, the higher lows from here and also from here. And yeah, we're currently breaking it right now. Ultimate's, you know, level to hold on Cardano is the $1.50 range. Okay, we're already hitting 145. It's not looking good for Cardano, guys. It's not looking good, so stay very cautious. All eyes on Bitcoin right now, as I said. All eyes on Bitcoin. I'll take a look at SNX Roy straight away. All eyes on Bitcoin in the next coming days, very important. And also the total crypto market cap, guys. You know, the total crypto market cap is, you know, holding by a thread right now from a major support. We got the uptrend structure here from these high lows. We've also got this major resistance zone, which is around about that $2.35, $2.4 trillion. Currently trading at 2.37. So yeah, holding by a thread from this correction, guys. We might see slightly volatility, and I want to believe that we are going to see some pumpy action. Now, all depending on the news. What's going to be the news next week worldwide? Are people panicking? Are people selling their assets? Are they fearful again? Yeah, we could have a little bit of more bloody action on BTC. I think only just a couple of $1,000s to the downside. I don't see us breaking successfully $50,000. This is my opinion, guys. Remember, you might think that we are going to go to 30,000, 20,000 just by looking at technicals. Still looking pretty healthy here on BTC. Chainlink also. Chainlink lost a major support level. All of these altcoins, like I said, guys, BTC now is the one that it has to recover the altcoins. Bitcoin needs to be the one. Now, yeah, as you can see here on Chainlink, we talked about this $23, $24 range. We're just about to lose it. It is not looking too good. We should be getting a bounce. If we start losing this level, it's not going to be looking good. We could be on the way to meet the lows here from the summer. If we start losing these support levels, the thing about losing these support levels, you're going to have massive resistance above you. So yeah, Chainlink is not looking too good. We need to start bottoming out very soon around this level. If we start losing these major support levels by looking at the chart, this is the $23, $24 range. A lot of consolidation here. If we start consolidating here and continue to the upside, fine. If we start going down to $20, it's not going to be looking good for Chainlink. We are breaking the uptrend structure, as you can see right over here. We did have a fake out right there. This was on the daily. We were looking for a potential daily breakout. Okay, a daily candle close above $36. This did not happen. So yeah, we did have a massive wick, came straight back down. So not looking too good. Right. Andy, do you have a favorite coin for the future? Well, Chainlink is one of them. Chainlink is one of them. They have, I think 70% of cryptos are partnered with Chainlink as an Oracle solution. So Chainlink would be one of them. It's just not having a good time. But yeah, if you're in doubt, just zoom out. All right, you could break uptrend structure here in the immediate short term. But on Chainlink, if you zoom out, I mean, this is the best chart you could take a look at on Chainlink. You know, take a look at the logarithmic chart and zoom out. All right, and yeah, for me, it's in a buy zone right now, because if you take a look at this massive uptrend, okay, it would be weird to see Chainlink coming down to the $14-15. We would be breaking a massive uptrend here on the logarithmic. It won't be looking too good. But yeah, I think there's just going to be a little bit of panic selling and volatility here in the next coming days. Remember, I'm not sure if you guys remember, or depending on how long you've been in crypto, but yeah, this was this right over here, this dip over here broke major structure, and this was the C19 crash. Okay. It broke a major structure. It looked like that we were going to continue to the downside, but this was a black swan event. Okay, so this doesn't count. Could we see another black swan event? Maybe in the next coming weeks, or depending with this new variant on C19. A lot of people panicking right now. There could be a sell-off in the stock market and also for crypto. So yeah, and you know the deal. When we have this fear, the fundamentals break the technicals. They do break the technicals. So no matter how bullish the chart looks, if we do have a black swan event, then yeah, guys, it's not going to be looking too good. No more C word in the chat, guys. YouTube might ban the stream. Yeah, I think maybe potentially the other one was banned because of this. I am talking about the C19. Anti-divergence on the monthly. Are these bullish or bearish divergence? Let me just take a look at quickly at SNX. Here, I had someone in the comment section. Maybe not looking good. SNX not looking too good. We had here on SNX small descending wedge right over there that met the target, which was there. The top of the wedge, small descending wedge right over here, and we're just currently losing support. It is not looking great, not looking too good. We might be testing the summer lows here, which is around about that $5 range. Some of the cryptos are not looking too good. I have about 1.5% or 2% of my portfolio being in SNX. Yeah, I mean, this is not looking too good. Best case scenario here would be retesting the $5 range and getting a massive support from this area and creating a double bottom potentially. That would be the best case scenario, right? By looking at this. Do I have a favorite coin in the future? Well, I know Metis DAO is a very good one. Okay, I really like the project. I really, it's a layer 2 solution. I really like the project. It's not getting hit that bad. Okay, it's surviving pretty well this correction on a lot of the altcoins. Yeah, if you take a look at Metis, I think its highs was around about $110. It's at $94 right now, 96. And yeah, this is one that I'm very excited. I would say I have about 8% of my portfolio is Metis. I have allocated quite a bit because it looks a very, very interesting project. They're very active, the team. Layer 2 solution for Ethereum, very important, something that Ethereum needs. So yeah, very bullish on this one. It's had an excellent run up, and I do see this growth that it's having very sustainable. Okay, there's no massive hype pumps here on this coin. It is just correcting, pumping, and these are the charts that I really like, and especially for a layer 2 solution. All right, this is only 139 million market capitalization. This could go to the billions, in my opinion. So yeah, I really like this growth. I like the team. I like the project. They're very active, very professional. So Metis DAO is one of them. Luna is pumping. Yeah, I know Luna. I think there must have been good news on Luna for some reason, because Luna has been pumping. Check, please. All right, let's take a look at XEC. Matic analysis, please. Okay, let's take a look at Matic also. Take a look. Check US dollar here for the community. This one's having a little bit of pumpy action. This is eCash. Right. I think not too much data here. We haven't got too much data here on TradingView. This one's having a little bit of pumpy action right now. Yeah, we haven't got much data here to analyze. So yeah, we'll have to do another one. Let's take a look at Matic network. How is Matic doing? Because Matic did hold the $1.50 range very nicely and pumped and came back down. So are we going to hold? Are we going to hold? The good thing about Matic looks like that it is still looking pretty good with this uptrend structure. Looking pretty good, as you can see here on the chart. Not looking too bad. Is 150 going to hold, guys? I would be, most of the eyes should be on BTC and the stock market right now, guys, okay? Because BTC starts losing that 52k support level, it is not going to be looking good for altcoins, all right? So if we take a look at BTC, no matter how bullish some altcoins look, all eyes on Bitcoin. All eyes on Bitcoin here for the next coming days. It is not looking too good here. Having a little bit of dumpy action right now, guys. Fear is getting in the market. So head and shoulder on the 1 hourly, bear flag on the 4 hourly. Doomsday. Yeah, this could be a kind of a bear flag. If you see this dump, this as the bear flag, and we are going to come to much lower levels. We take a look at the 1 hourly, head and shoulder. Yeah, head and shoulder here, just about to get broken. Just about breaking right now. So, yeah, you could call it a bear flag or a head and shoulder. So we got this kind of action right there. We're just about to lose support. Let's see if we're going to hold or not, if it's going to be a fake out, or if we're going to continue to the downside. So, yeah, stay cautious, guys. I would wait for a consolidation for any trading, okay? For any trading, I would wait for confirmation in the next coming days. Just to see how we are going to react, okay? And if we start breaking the resistance, all right, I would be on standby on any trades. If you start breaking the resistance here from the lower highs, then this is the moment you want to become bullish on Bitcoin. All right, that was going to be the moment where we should be becoming bullish. We're going to break the lower high resistance from the descending wedge. We are breaking the support level here. That will be a strong resistance. That will be the moment where you need to step in, okay? Because you could see a lot of volatility to the downside before we start picking up here on BTC. So, yeah. Right. Let's take a look at sand. Did I take a look at sand? I think so. Stay cautious with sand. As I said, Matic, not looking too bad, okay? Not looking too bad. The only bad thing here is that we are creating a lower high right now. It would have been nice for this pump, all right, to consolidate slightly and then continue to the upside. I don't like this dip action here. If we start losing this level over here, which is the $1.45, $1.50 area, it's not going to be looking good. We got these higher lows. If we start losing these levels here in the coming days, we are breaking uptrend structure, guys. We've already got a lower high confirmation right over there. If we start breaking this low, this higher low over here, it's not going to be looking good. It's not going to be looking good. We'll be having huge resistance. So yeah, still an uptrend structure though. Okay, nothing. Not looking too bad just yet. Let's take a look at let's take a look at which one did I have. Sand here. Someone asking for sand. All right, sand did have a descending wedge breakout. You could arguably discuss. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. But this one's been a little bit overhyped already, okay? So yeah, I would stay cautious with all of these hyped tokens, metaverse. I don't trust this right now. I do not trust this coming all the way up here to the highs. Even though it looks pretty bullish because, you know, we're having some nice pumpy action after breaking a descending wedge. Now, would you say if this is a descending wedge? Could I really discuss that it is? I mean, this one, metaverse and gaming might be doing well, even though Bitcoin and Ethereum do dump, okay? They might be doing okay. Overall, this chart looks pretty bullish. It looks pretty bullish on Sandbox. Volume's looking pretty good to the upside, even though if we take a look at some other exchanges, yeah, volume spiking to the upside. So we are correcting here with low volume. We're starting to see interest, volume spiking here. Yeah, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. We might be actually continuing to the upside here for this one. For Sand, I think we might be just consolidating here for a little bit. We might see some, you know, we have broken out from the resistance, and you need to note that you could possibly come down and retest again the resistance here from this descending wedge from these lower highs, retest it as support, and then continue to the upside. So this doesn't mean that we are going to pump from here. You know, especially when you pump like this, you could come back down and retest and then start creating a higher low. Then you could start becoming very, very bullish. Okay, starting a higher low here and then breaking this high. Then you want to be becoming very, very bullish at this range. You could potentially long this all the way to the all-time high. That will be confirming the uptrend. I think I'm going to sell some stuff and watch from the sidelines how the stock market reacts tomorrow. Well, yeah, this is the thing. This is the thing about selling now. You know, you're selling when we are correcting. Okay, so you don't want to have a massive reversal. Let's take a look at VeChain also. VeChain has been one that had been hit very, very hard, and I'm really surprised with this one. Really surprised. Holding by a thread right now. Yeah, not looking good. VeChain is not looking good. We need to hold this structure, this uptrend structure. Yeah, if we start losing this high-low support level, not going to looking good. 10 cent was ultimate low bottom, okay, for VeChain. Not looking too good. Not looking too good, guys. VeChain. Let's hope that we are going to get supported very nicely here on Bitcoin, that $52,000 range. A little bit of volatility and start getting a reversal. But anyway, like I said, let's take a look at Theta also. I'm very bullish on Theta long term. Very, very good project. Overall, looking at the chart, it's not looking too bad. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. We got the higher lows here. We still come down to that $5.80, $6 range, where I do think that we should be getting supported very, very nicely. Very, very nicely. I am in a swing trade on Theta in the red. I'm swimming the Red Sea, guys, for quite a couple of weeks now. And but anyway, my liquidation price is well below the 450 or something like that. Somewhere around this range. Guys, remember, if you're interested in Bybit, trading on Bybit, you have the best bonus down below. It is up to $4,100 worth of bonus, okay? You're supporting the channel. I'm getting a small commission. You're getting the best bonus available. Only for experienced traders, guys. This is going to be it, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. All right, we've got the latest news and technical analysis. I'm going to wrap it up, okay, soon. I'll be updating you with tomorrow's video. Also be doing a live stream, couple of live streams during the week, okay, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Gonna make it an early one today. See you tomorrow.